Welcome to the Willey West Campground DIY video series. Today we're going to learn how to start a fire with nothing more than a lighter, paper towel, and some Doritos. Step 1, take your paper towel, put it in the middle of your fire pit. Step 2, take a handful of any flavored Doritos and put it in the middle of that paper towel. Step 3, set your firewood into the pit. I like to do the box style as it's good for cooking, but teepee style will also work. And step 4, we're going to take our lighter and light 2 Doritos, one down here and one up here, and then we'll light the napkin in one spot just over here, and then we should have a fire with no chemicals going here. Look at that beautiful thing. And you know what? We have tons of Doritos. So our next video will be a cooking video. Tacos in a bag. That's all from Willey West Campgrounds. I want to wish you happy camping. And follow all our social media. Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. Happy camping. Take care.